Hello, my dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well, children. So, children, have you done with all your assessments and the grammar? Everything? Hopefully, you have completed that. So, now we are heading towards our lesson 2 in English Access book. Okay, children? So, this is your textbook. So, now our second lesson is the mice that ate balance. Okay. Mice means rat. You all know that. So, here before going to the lesson, I would like to ask you a few questions. So, children, tell me, what is meaning of a honest? Honest. Honest means being truthful, right, children? Yes, you should be always truthful to your friends and your parents. When you are not truthful, some or the other time you yourself will fall in trouble. So, here is a short story of two friends who were not truthful. Okay, children? So, before moving to the lesson, here are some new words. So, let's check out that. Wealthy meaning rich. Rich means having lots of wealth. Merchant means a trader who does a business. Cattle means the farm animals like cow, bull and sheep. Okay. So, the domestic animals. Balance means a weighing instrument. A weighing instrument means where you weigh things. Okay. Like when you go for a grocery shop, you buy some fruits. Okay. Maybe you will buy a kg of apples. So, what the fruit seller will do, a grocer? So, he will weigh of 1 kg of apple and give it to you, right? That machine, that is known as weighing instrument. Okay. Swooped down, moved rapidly downwards through the air. So, what happens? Coming in a full speed. Okay, anything coming in a full speed and taking up something and moving up. Argument means quarreling. Quarreling, fighting for something. Talents, clause, there are narrated, told. So, explaining the whole thing. Okay. So, let us begin with the story here. Okay. This is the story of two friends. Okay. One is Jiva, another one is Janak. They are good friends. Let us see what happened here. Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy merchant named Jiva. His village was on the bank of a river. Once, due to heavy rains, the river was flooded. Many people and cattle died. The crops and the houses were destroyed. So, here there was a village, and in a village, a wealthy merchant who was living. His name was Jiva. So, what happened? When there were heavy floods, he lost all his crops and cattle and many things. So, the merchant had to suffer heavy loss in his business. He thought, I have lost all my wealth. The crops are ruined. I must go to town to try my luck. I will earn a lot of money and come back here. Then I will start my business again. So the merchant Jiva had to suffer heavy losses in his business. So he thought he will make it again. How? By going to the town and trying his luck, working in a town. So by the time he comes back, so he will earn much of money where he can stand up his business again. Jiva had a heavy iron balance lying in his house. His father had given it to him. He could not carry such a heavy thing to a town with him. So before starting on his journey, he decided to keep it with his friend Janak. He went to Janak and said, "My friend, I am leaving the village to earn money. I have an old iron balance with me. Will you please keep it safe with you till I return?" So here Jiva had a heavy iron balance, okay, which was given by his father to him. So he couldn't carry such a heavy thing with him to the town. So he decided, before going on his journey, he decided to keep in his friend's house, that is in Janak's house, so that it will be safe. So he went to Janak and asked him, he pleaded Janak to please keep it safe till he returned. But what did Janak do? Let us see here. Janak rapidly agreed to his friend's request and said, "Don't worry, I will keep it safe for you. You can take it back after you return home." So Janak readily agreed to keep Jiva's balance, okay, and he said, "You can go without having any worries. So it will be safe with me till you come back. Once you return home, you can come and take it from me." So Jiva said, "Thank you, my friend. You are very kind." He kept the iron balance with Janak and left for some other distant town. So what happened? Jiva said thank you to friend Janak and he was relaxed and he went to a distant town. A few years passed by. By the time Jiva had earned a lot of money, he returned to his village and went to his friend Janak's house. Janak was very happy to meet Jiva. Both the friends talked for hours. When it was time to leave, Jiva asked his friend to return his iron balance. At this, Janak looked sad and said, "Friend, I am sorry to say that I don't have your balance. There are a lot of mice in my house. They ate up your balance." So what happened? After few years, Jiva had returned back to his village and he went to his friend's house, that is Janak's house. So Jiva and Janak were very happy. Both of them spoke 2 hours together. When it was time to leave, when it was time to Jiva to leave to his home, he asked his thing which he kept it with Janak. So he said, "Please give my balance to me." Now what Janak said? That, "Sorry Jiva, I don't have it with me because there are a lot of mice, there are a lot of rats in my house which ate up your balance." By this Jiva was very much surprised. He could not believe this at all. How can a mice eat iron? He thought to himself. He said, "Never mind Janak, let us forget about it." So what happened? Jiva was thinking in his mind, how can a rat eat the balance? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So, but then he said, "It's okay Janak, let it be, don't worry." Then Janak was happy. Jiva believed his word. So Janak said, "Oh, whatever the lie I told Jiva, he had believed it." So Janak was very happy. While leaving, Jiva said to Janak, "My wife has made delicious sweets. Could you please send your son with me? I would like to send some for you also." So while leaving, Jiva asked his friend Janak to send his son with him. So he wanted to share some of the sweets which his wife has made. So Janak happily agreed it. Okay, happily Janak asked his son to go along with Jiva. When Janak's son did not return for a few hours, he went to Jiva and asked Jiva, "Where is my son?" "I am sorry," said Jiva. "While I was coming, a big eagle swooped down upon him and carried him away." So what happened? After looking for a long time, when the son did not return to the home, Janak went to Jiva's house and he asked Jiva, "Where is my son, Jiva?" Then what did Jiva say? He said, "I am sorry. While I was coming to my home, a big eagle came and took your son along with." "What nonsense!" shouted Janak. "How can an eagle carry off a young boy?" The argument turned into a fight. The matter had to be taken to the village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court. Otherwise, he would be sent to the jail. So what happened? After there was an argument between Janak and Jiva. How an eagle can carry my son like that? So it turned into a big fight. Then the matter was taken to the village court and the judge decided and told Jiva to bring Janak's son back. Otherwise, Jiva will be sent to the jail. "My lord," said Jiva, "how can I when an eagle has carried away the boy?" So Jiva is telling, how can I bring the boy back? Because the eagle has carried away the boy. Then the judge is telling, "Stop this nonsense. How can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons?" Means, how can a eagle carry the boy in his legs? Like that, the judge is telling. "If mice can eat an iron balance, why cannot a bird carry away a grown-up boy?" answered Jiva. So Jiva is telling, when the rats can eat up my iron balance, why cannot a bird carry away the grown-up boy? Then Jiva narrated the whole story to the judge. The judge then warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said, "My friend, here is your son. I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty." So what happened? The judge warned Janak and he asked to speak the truth. Then Janak was very sorry. He felt sorry and then he returned the balance, iron balance to Jiva, and Jiva returned the son of Janak. Then Jiva said, "Here is your son. I was just trying to teach you a lesson of honesty, that is truthfulness." So never cheat a friend, okay? Never cheat anybody. You should be honest in everything, okay? So that you will also get it back. What you do, you will get it back one or the other day. The moral of the story is, you should never lie. You should never do wrong to others. You should be honest in everything. Might be in your school with your teachers, or with your friends, or with your parents, with anyone. You should be honest. Okay, children? So here with this lesson, we will all try be honest with all our friends, relatives, with our teachers, everyone. Okay, children? So here the lesson ends up. So here I am going to give you some activities. That is, you will have to write page number 22, then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay, and there is also page number 30 and 31 to 32. Okay, children? So You try solving these activities. I will get back to you with your answers in our next session. Hope you all enjoyed the story and your lesson. Okay, with this I will end up my session. Until our next session, do take care of yourself and your family and be honest to everyone. Okay children, bye bye.